In our video, we examine Cathie Woods, the CEO of ARC Invest, who predicted that Tesla would reach $3,000 per share. Elon Musk chose to take the electric vehicle manufacturer public 10 years ago, offering 13,300,000 shares for $17 per share in an initial public offering, or IPO. The stock is currently trading above $370 per share. You could say the rest is history. But the Palo Alto-based company has had a rocky and occasionally contentious ride. Tesla has performed remarkably well in the stock market, and several prestigious investment firms, like ARC Invest, have made significant profits from holding the company's stocks. Let's examine the elements that will contribute to Tesla's performance in 2022. Tesla says investors reacted to accusations that Tesla had removed information on a 2022 production date for the Cybertruck from its website in December. Shares plummeted from 74.66 to 1031.56. Tesla now plans to start manufacturing by the end of the first quarter of 2023, a change that was noticed by industry magazines as early as last week before being widely publicized on Thursday. Daniel Ives, an equities analyst at Wedbush Securities who covers Tesla, claims that the decline in Tesla shares is merely a knee-jerk reaction. Reuters reported early on Thursday evening, citing a single unidentified source. Experts think there is grounds for optimism regarding the Cyber 2023 production date because, according to him, other vehicle types will start to be produced this coming week at Tesla's Gigafactory Texas facility in Austin, Texas, which is anticipated to eventually be the site of Cybertruck production. Tesla Elon Musk, the company's CEO, said in November that he would provide an updated product plan, which some believe would contain information about the Cybertruck, during the company's earnings call on January 26. It should come as no surprise that Tesla is a little off schedule with its ambitious pickup vehicle, the Cyber vehicle, given the company's history of missing deadlines. A 2022 production schedule was mentioned on the company's website, but according to Reuters, manufacture won't start until the first quarter of 2023. When the Cybertruck was first unveiled in 2019, Tesla said it would be ready for production in late 2021. However, in August of that same year, the target for finishing production was pushed back to 2022, and it looks like that deadline has also been waived despite a recent dip in the company's stock price. Cathie Wood, the CEO of ARC Invest and a Tesla bull, is optimistic that her investment business will achieve its $3,000 price target for Tesla shares over the next 5 years. Naturally, the momentum players left as soon as the stock price of Tesla dropped last week by about 14%, partly due to Elon Musk selling some of his holdings. Musk has sold about 30% of his Tesla stock as of November 12. Musk has admitted that his low basis share selling rate is meant to bring Twitter closer to maximum taxes. The stock responded to the news and fell for us. We've been taking profits on the way up and receiving a lot of flack for it. This is nothing more than a hiccup. Wood believes Musk made a wise decision in selling his shares. He has been cited as saying, "I was the first in and I'm going to be the last out." Despite this, Wood must pay a significant amount in taxes due to his stock options. I don't want him to feel under pressure as a shareholder. Instead, I want him to feel confident and in a position to carry out the task that Wood mentioned of Musk. I'm sure he didn't want to use his shares as security for any extra loans, so I think that's appropriate. In September, Wood stated that her starting point for Tesla is $3,000. Our forecast for Tesla's success has come true. And the main reason for this is that, rather than falling between the end of 2017 and the present, their market share has increased dramatically, with a share price of $3,000. Tesla's worth would be $3 trillion, according to Wood, who pointed out that the company was trading at about dollars at the time, and would need to grow by more than 300% to accomplish his price aim. Although it seemed unlikely, in October, Hertz purchased 100,000 Model 3 cars for its rental fleet, propelling Tesla to achieve a $1 trillion valuation. Since then, the company's stock price has increased significantly, almost reaching pre-stock split levels, until Elon Musk announced he would be selling some of his shares. The other significant topic we should be discussing is the impending Tesla earnings report. We previously discussed a thorough analysis of what to expect from the company's earnings, so there are some significant numbers to keep an eye on, especially the delivery numbers, which are crucial. The census estimate for Tesla delivery numbers is 276,900 vehicles, of which 261,400 are Model 3 vehicles in the Model Y and 15500 are Model S and Model X vehicles. Nevertheless, a lot of specialists and individuals speculate that this figure may be higher. The second major topic we'll be discussing in 2022 is Elon Musk's statement that fully autonomous vehicles will be implemented the following year. Based on the bull case, analysts believe that if Tesla can master fully autonomous driving, it will generate at least $9 trillion in revenue. ARK Invest is considering a variety of factors when determining these price targets, including the significant increase in the production of Tesla vehicles and the development of new technologies. However, the most important factor is that fully autonomous vehicles will revolutionize not only the automotive industry but the global economy as a whole. Since Elon Musk stated that completely autonomous vehicles might be used very soon, it is anticipated that both Tesla and its stock will rise significantly this year. The last time that the company's stock increased significantly was when Hertz announced an agreement to purchase around 100,000 Model 3 vehicles. When Hertz announced intentions to expand the fleet of battery electric vehicles with an initial acquisition of 100,000 Teslas by the end of 2022 interim, the company's market valuation crossed $1 trillion for the first time a week ago. Mark Fields, the CEO of Hertz, revealed that the company had conversations with Tesla a few months prior regarding buying the cars. He called it a great partnership and a demonstration of Hertz's dedication to being the first rental company to manage large fleets of electric cars. What would be the main causes of a spike in Tesla's share price this year and a potential $3,000 value per share, given that Hertz even stated that the company had begun delivering the first few thousand cars at that time? The degree to which the present asset price effectively reflects current market information is known as capital efficiency or capital market efficiency. It is comparable to gross margins. If Tesla invests $1 billion in building a plant, that sum is noted on a balance sheet and depreciated over time. As a result, depreciation costs would lower Tesla's earnings each quarter by a specific amount. Lastly, the ability to operate independently. ARK estimates that there are 70% of Tesla not being able to develop a completely autonomous car and 30% that they will. Of these 30, they predict that Tesla will begin charging 2.50 cents a mile before raising it to $1 per mile. Musk stated that Tesla cars would be completely autonomous by 2020, but that is now 2022. Although the company has made great advancements in its self-driving technology, it is still not fully autonomous, and it is unclear when this capability will be attained. Refers to a system's capacity to accomplish objectives without outside assistance. If Tesla is able to reach high output levels on each of the three major inputs, the $3,000 threshold may be reached. As a result of Elon Musk's completion of his share sales, now is a great moment to buy Tesla and expect a rise as we approach the second month of 2022. What are your thoughts on 2022 and the potential it presents for Tesla? Comment below.